Made Men Music. Made Men Music.
Even if you don't know, talk something about your daughter. You know, say parents, you get the way you go do somewhere where your pikin, they ask you a question, even if you don't know, you will give the answer. When your pikin goes, Daddy, you didn't know it. That time you want to explain, give your pikin, say it's hard. It's like that mask that one will give you. And you know, say small children, they can embarrass person. As I did, so when I did younger, I first place I grew. When my younger brother, I know mass and me, that means I don't know how to forget. So if I beat my brother, after I beat, I go only do 6 times 8. And I do slap. Because you know, say you get some mass, 2 times 2, you go know. 2 times 2 waiting. Now look this one, 2 times 2. Waiting before you do like this, 4 times. No, you get some mass where it's very cheap. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3. That means stop let me know no book. All of us. Okay, I even know when I school said. Okay, wait. 2 times 1. Who said 21? Now go play fire from here. 2 times 2, 4. 3 times 3. They use somebody answer. 9 times 8. Because those kind of maths are for person with calculator. You get one guy now. The guy na book make a trace. Book that make a trace. So the guy don't trace. He can't go. You know Yaba left. See the way this man look. We don't stay there before. The one that talk is surprised. Say he can't be like one video. He can't go back when he live there. For Yaba left. I stop for Jota. I don't know say they know they cross for Jota. As the guy cross for Jota, I can't hold him. Put her for Black Maria. The guy don't first understand. He just speak Igbo say, how can he kill me? How can he? You see that Igbo when they speak, before you know, they come carry her, I know they feel communicate for English. She don't decrease for inside Yaba. And Lagos last man and Kai, they don't really know book like that, though, but they get uniform. Not be play. If last one don't hold you before, if they speak Yoruba when they catch you, no English. Come on, 3 plus 3. And the guy says 6. Then the boy told you that they are not all mad. This one is normal. Then they call him and say, God, 1 plus 4, 5. Then they go say, this boy is not mad. The guy say, yeah, I know they're mad. I tell you now before. See, all this way they have to be small. Ask me quadratic equation, elevation and depression. They come ask him all these things, he get that. They answer simultaneous equation, he get that. Then the guy look there and say, see all these things I'm telling you, it's in the kidney. And they say this is the king of madmen. And they pack away. The grace. You know, say so madman if he come late, if he come early. And after they tell them about Jota, before the international airport go get from Nigeria, we not know Jota in there. Hello, chairman. You want Igbo? They are in there. You want Gwanu? I wish Biafra on there. You want Gwanu? Ranu? Easy, easy. Got arm. No, serious. So anytime when a man come Lagos, the first place where they go now where? Ojota, because all the boss there now is Uchuku. Young Shangro. Give me another Egede. Careful, I travel far. So that time when they come, me, I come from Warri bus no pass, I go for Hello or Sari Memoto. So when I come from Warri, I come with Black Lion. Who don't call Lagos with Black Lion before? Chairman. Wait, when you call Lagos, you rich. Not when you do Lagos, you thief money inside. You make money. This Lagos, you can make it here. Come on, play. So when you call Lagos my black, as I reach Ojota, I don't have this, I don't arrive because the international airport to me. As I boss out, that one guy just show for one corner. I don't even say, show my parents say, hey, to don't say, la, say, la, continent, say. Now I look the boss of, yeah, I don't be Paris. Why this guy they speak French? Then the guy says, et tu danses là, c'est connexion, relation, c'est paquet, pas. Now I say, if I don't speak French, they go take my leg. Then the guy give me one. Last one say, là c'est monetary. Now I say, et tu danses travel la worry. Then the guy look me say, et tu danses la French. I say la French worry la worry. Then the guy say, calm down, which if you get tu fais la worry your father. Yeah, daddy. Alright. We won't start now. Very soon. When I go know how they go. Ladies and gentlemen, I won't call myself chairman. I'm here to host the show tonight. I know they watch this man moving from very, very long time. Funny man, fantastic. He's a really work. I beg, we'll give him Nigeria FM kind of love and appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the veteran comedian actor Victor Oswago. Oi, DJ, give her. Victor Oswago, where are you? What are you for chairman?
What happened to the hand? Clap hand now. If you know you are happy to see today, put your hand together for God. Keep clapping for God.
What are you doing?
And you see the problem, you cannot be sitting there and clapping for God because so many people have lost their life as I'm talking to you.
True.
Stand up and clap for God.
Stand up, God up on our mate. You can sit down, God up on our mate. Celebrate.
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. You know, 6 good years.
6.
This is the 6th edition. So many people, as I'm talking to you now, desire to be here.
Oh.
But they don't fit to do how much, baby.
Yeah, sorry, they're not making.
Try.
Yes.
But you were there here today, you're supposed to be happy and to thank God for your life.
Yeah, they're happy. The only people who know they're happy are the guys who buy tickets for girls. Hello.
Why?
They still think. Some of them say, "Girl, if you book back, the guys say juju, the girl say juju. Plus, when you come out, when you give them that your after the reggae, you're all old. Hello.
But see, this kind of thing, they cure the sickness what we dey inside now.
True. Okay,
Where
now
do
you
they?
say.
My people ask me, say daddy, I say my pikin when I wake up one day, where they pray, God, don't allow my daddy and mommy to go recess. Don't allow them to go reception because if they go, they will not come back. How you manage to know say they did reception now?
Oh, say Nigeria did reception.
Yes.
And that because the thing where they give and go school don't reduce. When they give them before they give them biscuits, noodles. Now that they only give them chewing gum and water.
Where you see the snacks, and not the money where you take to give them.
Now why? Everything don't reduce. Like that, bros. If I just send my wife message now to go market, before if I just send my wife go market, at the form, or we will just get those cow leg, chicken ear, cow leg, turkey eye. Now my wife will say, But now, when I say baby go market, just get us.
Try it now.
Fish.
And the fish where they talk now, ice fish.
Yes, you ice fish. And our neighbor they sell and we know the market.
So you don't need to go to market again. No, it's small thing. As I come, somebody just say, Victor, you are looking good. Am I looking good today? Are you sure I'm looking good today? And then put your hands together for me. You know when you look me finish, I'm an improved version of my mother. Yes.
You already never finished.
When you see my mama, see me, you're going to say, God, even bless me well. My mother is a very short woman. Very, very short woman. But as God can't create me, He can't make me, I can't even touch small. But you see, every mumu where my mama gets, the only thing where my mama did for me, I say, we, na mumu.
First off, I'm gonna put our hands together for the musician they call G-Ray. Oh shit!
Woo! Nigeria fans, let's go, baby!
one, never going broke. Drake one, so we brought for another one. So we must put up another one. Every day we Christ that I make it out the billion. Yes sir, make it out the billion. Make it go ask anyone. Make it go ask anyone. I didn't keep for my own, I don't say nobody. I don't say nobody. I say, oh baby, yeah, go shake party. Every day we spend money. All the girls that are coming on. I say, oh baby, yeah, go shake party. Every day we spend money. All the girls that are coming on. Correcto, yeba, correcto, correcto, oh boy, correcto, correcto, I'm walking me, I'm always on castle, I see the door. I'm walking me, I'm always on castle, I'm never going broke. Listen, oh yeah, Jen, I'm a legal job. I'm a legal job.
Now, if you are not epileptic in nature, you cannot dance the music. You must be epileptic in nature. My children now, if you come for us, even as they greet me now. So me say, I don't decide the way now when we say, as they come, as they do that, they don't come, you say, the one where they pay me now, I know where they say that dad. My picking when he comes with me, when he said, Daddy, I say, yes, victory, anything. He said, you shako well. Now, Sabina teach that one. If they listen, money runs every morning. You shako well, or your daddy, or what again? You can't want again, well, Osh baby, where you get? Osh baby, he don't finish my family. Now, people when I wake up in the morning, instead of him going to say, good morning, daddy, what are you going to tell me? Daddy, you shako well? I say, I shapo. Since the greeting, I don't talk to Nigeria FM greeting. I shapo well. All right, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to remind you that we have endless artists in the building. We have Timaya, we have all the comedians. Today, if you don't get yourself well, their lips feel crack. And if you don't crack, let me say your head feel the split. If your split not correct, let me say go laugh to him. And that one is very dangerous. When you want to laugh, hold yourself. Hold yourself very well. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not too busy, put your hands together as I might welcome one guy who have, in fact, the music now something else. All night in the building. Put your hands together, my fellow people.
We got to be fine. No mistake, hey, come on, yeah. No mistake, hey, come on, watch out. No mistake, hey, I'll be fighter. But mama tell me that show is sounder. And papa tell me that show is sounder. All the people with the fight to the water. Woman, you pay me your later. You know what I'm come about a water. You know what I'm come look around. I don't know if they go later. I don't know if they go later. I don't know if they just pull it, jacket.
Politicians full of riches and the masses full of hope. The shit is getting serious, so my brother, no be joke. If I don't tell you what's happen, brother, how you want to know? Even come on, Gary Palm, I know they seem to soak. The economy is bad, our own boys don't they broke. They say the truth is very bitter, but I drink and with coke. Before I land, Monica, I'm ready to stay forever, forever, forever. Me, I never do you like it, Johnny. Run away. But when you mark from any, I'm only my car, too hard. I'm falling in love, maybe monkey don't see banana. Naira don't fall for dollar. Now who know like a pretty woman? Oloju go, Oloju go. I don't fall in love. Hey, we take girl a jump for club. Yesterday night for inside rumors. Baby you fine, I know they lie. Don't be washed, oh my God, I wish the night would last for long. Okay. Mr. DJ play my song. The way you smile, they make me drunk. Now that I'm in love, I can't get enough. She tell me say now one night stand. I tell her man you understand. After the kiss and all the whole distance, we are no distance. They give me chance. So me I tell her say, oh Monica, 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 I'm ready to stay forever, forever, forever. Me I no go do you like Johnny, run away, fire. Go boy, you can't fool me, I'm running my car, my heart to love. Falling in love, Monica, 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 I'm ready to stay forever, forever, forever. Me I no go do you like Johnny, run away, fire. Go boy, you can't fool me, I'm running my car, my heart to love. Tomato day for just, hey, yeah. But I see my own for Lagos. Oh, baby, why when them they tell us so? I promise I will love you, check. If only you will love me tender. No retreat and no surrender. January to December, summer or winter, oh baby, I want to hold you like a guitar. I love you like Monica. African queen, no be Latifa. You get my budget and agenda. This girl is all on fire. She can see now one night stand.
Hey, yo, what's happening, people? It's your boy Sosa Famous, aka Sosa Damus. Don't follow me, Drag Mike. And I'm hanging out right here at Ninja FM. I'm going to be on that stage, so you guys watch out for me. It's still your boy coming up strong. Ninja FM, shout out to biggest boss Osam. OTB, happy birthday OTB. It's your boy Sosa Famous. Peace.
The drag Mike. Yeah. So famous. They don't follow me, drag Mike, but me, I don't talk to them. Know my family, I spit fire like a dragon. You don't know me, he will let you rock on. Because my flow's dope, you call me the drug baron. If this is the jungle, then I am the lion. Protecting my pride, in me they relying. So I lift you up as high as Mount Zion. I will never lose any war, only last call. They want to see me finish or do war, only last call. I'm a bad boy and them is really more silent. Call the cops, I got more bars than a lago. I knew this young cat's way back. I'm a this MC cause more than to be shotgun. What you mention? I'm a bullet bro or Gunya. They don't think I jump with me. What is you? I'm a punch try to hard for them. What you do on a piano? This is my hood, I go rap till I talk. Show them about me fine, but it won't be bad. Don't you to Timor. I run this MCs like several people. I said him up was dead and shot me and me no Chimo. I'm taking the game over like Kenny and Kimo. Never give them a hold down. I'm free answer. No my low, no my low, no my connection. I got something to say, so I need your attention. Drag Mike. For this town, they don't follow me, drag Mike. Yeah. They don't follow me, drag Mike. When I did, they don't follow me, drag Mike. Yo, this is the first two. Yeah. They don't follow me, drag Mike. For this borough, all these MCs, they still flows like a Roro. I drop my lines, they steal my flow. We go Golo, it's not a joke. Make you go accent. Rest in peace. 96 feet is shallow. Beware player haters, my beef is hard to swallow. If you drop me, you don't look like the pyro. Cause when me had the power, my power, they pass arrow. I rap for the ghetto, I won't forget to. I jump out battle, they give me respect to. Cause we have stay fresh, no better selecto. I don't take a job steps, you guys on tiptoe. So let's go, they won't chase me. I'm a Nemoshito. All these dark shadows when they track on that keto. Yeah, they're tall so high, I give you Rocco. Son from the bottom, now me I'm a taco. And it's here, but I drop beats like I keto. They said they got game, you only game they got is blue, no check front.
Yo, what's happening? This your boy Dr. Q. I'm on a Niger FM with this one. Now PG we supposed to talk. Man, I just performed, man. That performance, man, crazy. The crowd was lovely, the reception, and I love Niger FM so much. Niger FM, no shade, shade. That's what's up. Too much Ojutikpade in the building. They already know.
This your boy Dr. Q. You already know. Oh baby, I like you. I won't marry you. Typical. Hey, let's go. That's right, baby. That's right. My cherry coco, I swear. For me to marry you, get me sure. I like you more. And say they can't go marry you, you don't call me. In fact, I'm gonna make money. Be honest to me, man, talking for each other, I care for you. I care for you too. My cherry coco, I don't want you. You be my one, I don't want you too. I'm married like I ain't happy shit. I care for you too. My cherry coco, I don't want you. You be my one, I don't want you too. I'm married like I ain't happy shit. That's right, baby. Okay, let's go. No time. Think I feel that we could love pizza, so not everything will walk. I'm my day to jolly. February, any kind of everything will play. After the party, we go to do it. And if you want that car, name it. Especially when you stop back on me. I will snap a photo, frame it. Good day to follow, money to follow, everything follow, children follow, what all to follow, house to follow, then I will carry good to follow. I say good day to follow, money to follow, everything follow, money to follow, what all to follow, house to follow, then I will carry good to follow. Let's go.
Yo, big up this Young Joe, aka Young General, man. I'm live here, I did here right now. And my performance today, trust me, murder. And big ups to Nigeria FM for holding this down. They have been a support to my career, so I appreciate them, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Ray Rastaman there, so Fire Key and Cole. Blaze it up. Thank you.
Money in the bank, so you know you got to wine. Eat my heart, when you in your dress. This show, my people jump on. You know, say boys don't have man. All the girls say, go down for me. Go down for me. This show, my people jump on. You know, say boys don't have man. All the girls say, go down for me. Go down for me. No, give me the show. Let me deal with this stuff. Black routine at the place. Pull out the beats, I'm killing them all. Amarula lamo, Okiko. Amarula lamo, Okiko. Amarula lamo, yeah. Okiko. Amarula lamo, Okiko.
Right about now, we'll start comedy. So back to back, we're going to get them as in the hot. Put your hands together for the first man, Holy Face. Clap, 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 clap. Wait, Holy Face. Wait, oh. You know, I said, I'm man, get this paper. I don't read it, they can. NSR 123 BJ. Here. Captain is behind.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for yourself. Some people say I look like Bobby Risky. Ladies and gentlemen, God forbid, I can never look like him. I'm a real boy, I'm a real human being. We go great. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I tell people something. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm an half-caste. Yeah. My mom, she's from Delta State, and my dad is from Abia State. So, you can see the mixture. It's caste. Is it your own? It's my own caste, it's not your own caste. So. And I tell you something now, to sign artists, they're very easy. To get record label, they're easy. Just get 2-bedroom flat. 2 cartons of Indomie, you don't sign artists. And I tell you, now you see the way things happen about the country now, they're very hard, things don't change. Now normally if you go before, you buy sardine, you'll see 2 fish. But now, you buy sardine now, you'll see bone. I tell you, things don't change for this country. Now, I talk about the way our ladies, they behave to songs. The way they react to songs, they're very, very annoying. You go see somebody who enter a club, maybe enter party, sisters, young girls, they want dance, they go to form. But you get one song when they bring out their madness. DJ, you get that? Wait, DJ. Hey! DJ, don't go. Don't go spoil the career. Now, you see the way they behave, sisters. Normally, you see the way they behave outside normal club. They sit down, cross leg, they look. Now, you can't see the way they behave for normal. They just behave. And you see the way they can talk nowadays. Somebody, you don't see where there's a can talk. No, they enter club. No, they enter in two. If you see girls, they enter club, they enter in two. So they come wear one thing. When they hope for belly. I don't know that thing. Waist, I mean waist train and wait till they go. They come part their belly. Now, those girls, they don't they breathe well. You see where person will walk out, enter club, one enter club. You see where this head walk out with high heel. Once you don't reach down, now the first thing they decide toilet. One they don't side toilet like this, I go enter toilet. Hey, Jesus. As you don't reach down, they say, hey, Jesus. And they say they breathe well again. The girls, I'm the one that make me best. Now the one they do for God, you will see where get. We just did. I don't know the way they do for us. I don't know what cause girls on Snapchat. The way they do it for Snapchat, you see person, mama, old woman, we just did. Host phone, Snapchat. They call they buy Google Leaf. Instead Snapchat, call them. It's not going to show. And now the leaf set for inside Snapchat, they don't know where I'm for head. You will see where person, mama, go there. For Snapchat, they feel like dog. Nobody can tell you when you feel like dog, you don't agree. They go like this. When the DJ come, come. Now you go see the other one in the best mask. Now, if you see the way things they happen, if you see the way coaches and the way abroad they do their footballers and Nigeria here, difference there. Go see footballers. Okay, now come. Play. You do this one for me now. Play Rihanna. You play Rihanna. Now you see the way they behave for club, normal club. You see what they behave. Guess they sit down inside club. I don't know where I can share yourself. Okay, my young is here. They sit down for inside club. Sit down, position. Now, once they listen to this song, when they listen to this song, if they play, say that time the evil spirits don't come. Did they play that song? Maybe they sit down like this, oh. Now you sit down like this. You start. Nobody before you enter the country, before you know if you enter the country, you get a point of entry. You want to enter the next country. Now, so all people there for line, serious line. They're going to ask question. Where are you from? Now, if you ask the question, they'll tell you, welcome to London. Then they ask one guy, where are you from? He can say, I'm from Cotonou. Okay, you're welcome to London. Then they ask one guy, where are you from? I'm from Kenya. Wow, you're welcome to London. Then they ask one other guy, where are you from? That guy looked at me. Say, I'm from America. Say, you're welcome to London. Now, they go, one guy didn't hear me. Now, if they ask that guy, then they would maybe the next person to ask. They're going to ask the guy, where are you from? And they ask the guy say, I'm from Nigeria. Please step aside. Step aside. Now the guy stand. Now as a sharp boy, now they ask me, where are you from? I don't say if I say Nigeria, they'll tell me, step aside. Now look you, where are you from? Now I say I'm from Mozambique. They say your face don't look like Mozambique. Can you recite the Mozambique national anthem? As a sharp boy, now I put my hand on my chest. Now I look up. Hey, we go. Hey, we go. Hey, we go. Hey. They say you're welcome to London.
Alright, you can just come in like this is Niger FM Comedy Jam and Award. Put your hands together for Holy Face. You know, when somebody calls himself Holy Face, you look in face. Who you be? Now me be Victor Swabo. Where from where? You know, as a technique, they see you as Juju. You be like shrine. MC Shaggy in the building. You know, this guy said his name now Holy Face. Look in face, look holy. Whether you match. You go see second face, you go see holy again. Sometimes when you name yourself better so that even God will bless you. Holy face. But when God see this face, God is a man. I won't be you one. Are you ready for us? Are you ready for us? Put your hands together as I bring one man. This guy is a man, a stupid idiot. Foolish and hopeless. But the guy don't chop money like no man business. The guy don't take talk, forget the whole of every guy. You know the last place where he go? Badagry. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, jam your hands together as I bring the stalker woman.
Wait. Because you don't try. You say the way the country will go now. Packaging. This Lagos is in packaging. Everybody they package. Some people go soon pack go village. This Lagos. My name now Ogene Kokoya, Ogene Beria, Onandi Desmond. I'll say it again. I get 2 minutes, so I'll call my name 5 times. My name now Ogene Kokoya, Ogene Beria, Onandi Desmond. I'm a comedian by birth. I swear in the name of God, everything I will say here to make you laugh, they are all lies. Yes. Nothing but lies, may God help us all. Please, my papa say, no matter the speed you want to drive for TV, you know if you who they wash am. TV road safety. 4 last man. 16 Kai. 120 OPC. For security. My PA said that they share money for kilo. I said no, this money too big for kilo. I'm gonna go airport road. Because of the crowd, I shatter Uber taxi. 6. When we reach airport road at terror safety control, everywhere no, I tell me shoot. Then they shoot. I said correct. The first time I know say Aboki, the day very reception. Aboki look me, do you need anything? I say yes. They give me Coke and Mountain Dew and fish pie at the shop. The soccer where the money is going to wait. After I eat finish, I bring brand envelope, remove 50,000 Indonesia. As I give Aboki, I shock when Aboki asks me how many you want change. I said like this one. Now he asked me, who bring those army? I said, not me. He said, this money now 1,000. That's my G from way back. You remember, right? I don't know you too, 1-1. Behind you, 1-4 for stage. Good evening, guys. How you doing? My name is Furnaces. I'm a comedian. I do 2 things. I crack jokes, and I crack jokes. That's 2. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege to be here tonight. Please, one more time, let me celebrate yourselves for coming out to support us, please. Ladies and gentlemen, do me a favor, please. One of the things I like to advise is the fact that, please, I beg us, especially ladies, please, I know you might have heard it over and over again, but I just want to say, please, let's leave the English alone. Please. I just moved to Lady Lac. I'm not even know Lady Lac. Lady Lac in Barry. Lady Lac will make some noise, let me know. Yes, the ladies there lack a lot of. That's why I moved there. Because at night, if you hear the English when girls when they speak,
No jokes. I don't come out for night. Here one guy they shout, I'm angry. I say, calm down, what's your problem? You see, anytime I'm angry, I'm always upset. I say, it's the same thing. You can't be angry and upset. I don't hear, no jokes. I don't hear girl tell a friend, say, oh my God, when are we going to eat? The guy say, I don't know yet. Say, please, too quick, I'm vanished. I say, it's not vanished, it's famished, my sister. It's a problem, but most of us don't know. And the other guy was talking about ATM the last time. Let me tell you, see, if you are here and you don't have the goal to make money, I beg of you, you will make money in Jesus' name. Because oppression is bad. You don't see where big man, they go use ATM before. Rich men. Now let me say this. The real rich guys are very polite. If the guy won't go use ATM, there's a long queue. First of all, he apologizes. Excuse me, I'm going to waste time, okay? Please bear with me. The guy will go, put in card, he will withdraw. As he withdraw, he will call. Hello, Michael, my house in London, I don't like the furniture. You go apologize again. Excuse me, I'm wasting time, okay? Please bear with me. Thank you. As he withdraw finish, he'll carry money, he go. You don't see where Poma will go use ATM before? First of all, there's a long queue. As the idiots they go, people go to follow him, the guy go turn. What are they following me for back? Oh, when I want to take my pin, Abi, come on, get out. The guy will reach there, spread like virus, he won't withdraw 1,000. There is nobody here that withdraws 1,000 with pride. There are two things you do. Either you collect the money, squeeze it, people will not go over there, you withdraw. Or you set your wallet, come on, the one you put that inside, close down, come back your back. People don't go over there, you withdraw, so they go, they come and ask you, is the ATM paying? So yes, it's working. And the real rich guys, when they get to an event like this, they will first park their cars, like Range Rover Sports, give me names now. Escalade, give me names now. Benz, G65, G63. When they reach, they will just jam the door small. You go close myself, they can't go far. Because you guy, Mark, hey, that's my new toy, it's my wife. How you doing? I saw your new BM. Oh, that's nice. You know, so where poor man come events before? As a guy reach here, go pull in car for neutral, 200. Wind up, pin down, wind up, pin down. Nobody here when they wind your own glass by himself. Because actually, I'm first because the glass is okay, don't you know? You go put hand, you go wind your own glass. You don't pin down before, you go lock door, you go lock hand, like who they lock cupboard. Pa. You can see cross check. 1, 2, 3, 4. And big man, and also when you sit down on top of big man car, from if you won't come out, he'll tell you, excuse me, I need to leave. Can you please? Okay, thank you. You go just come out. Poor man from upstairs, 6-story building. Oh no, she go the remote of me.
DJ, if you did, I my yash, don't have to find you. I know this is a good risky. This thing is a jam, to get up for yourself. How you guys doing? Look at your neighbor. If your neighbor find, tell us, say, wow. If that person will what, tell us, oh, yeah, yo. Okay, no man, the mouth put door. You know, so that person will get mouth put door, they win argument. When you say Buhari, say football, I say, nobody don't talk together. You never dey inside church, person wey dey your side never talk. The man told when they come out and you think, wetin pastor tell you to take the Bible, not talk again. You know, say if pastor wey God call, you go know by the name, by the church. Redeemed Christian Church of God, living faith, this time. But pastor dey say, I won't call God by force. When you hear the name of the church, shine your high Christian ministry. I go one church one day, the pastor said they want to do 3 days crusade. He said, make people not brush teeth, come. Imagine they come out to the way go dead here. I can't go the 3rd day. The person when they must never talk, I don't perceive the word, whether not true or not true, I don't know. We can't reach prayer session. Pastor can say we are going to pray about now. Hold your neighbor. I say I don't die. Then the guy come hold me. Now you are going to say, Father. Then that guy hold me, shout, Father. Now see. When the one scatter everything, the Lord is going to speak to your mother about now, you're going to do hard. When that guy hold me, shout, let this man receive, let him. As I is that? Pastor said the Lord is walking over there. The devil is a liar. Bring that man here. They're going to carry me, come forward. Once they let 10 people come out, 10 people won't come out. Me, listen, only one person, man told them, let me fit. And that day I know, say, man told them, the way person went not fit. All of them come surround me now, you're going to say, Father. All of them come shout, Father. All the man told them, come march. Come row you. I can't wake up, say, wait, see you. On another day, as I say, make a run, now the man will go hold my neck. I don't know, say, even at 41 days. I say, take him again.
Nigeria FM comedy jam. Una dey feel am? Una dey feel am? Una dey feel am? You know say e get the kind of work wey you dey do. If you die, go heaven. If God asks you, sorry, God too busy, angel. If he asks you, say wetin you dey do, you no fit talk. 2 jobs. 3. What hard one now? Presidency fall. The first one, if you do this work, you die, go heaven. Let me say you be harlot. No man just say that for small children every year. Harlot, prostitute or actually. Try your work as you reach heaven. Your ask you say, Chairman, those are always they use you because you wear glass. So ask me. You don't get privilege to be angel now. Ask me. Your lips too black for angel. You black angel. Hey, sister. Sister. Hello. Tosha. Sister. So when I get this way, no, they hear caution. Sister, can you hear me? Hello. Okay, if you can't hear, see me. So you be angel now. Ask me. What work in English? Well, English I do. I want to say what work was it doing? I don't want that preaching will speak. Ask me, say which work you do right there. So you don't speak English. Okay, so you don't ask the opinion. Now say which work you do right there. Then again, because they did heaven, you call us say. Angel will say, what? You get no fit talk. You say, talk, I will ask your name. You come and say, Ashwell.
Hi, this is Wafai Fada. My expectation today is to have fun. Yeah, I've seen the flyers, a lot of artists are performing. So I want to dance, have fun. I was nominated. Luckily, if I win, fine. Keep listening to Naija FM, the Ogbonge radio channel where they give you pidgin straight from Bizanga.
Over 1 decade or more and fantastic man. Give it up for Rugged Papa! Rugged man. Rugged man.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody, somebody make some noise. We have to do this. I'm honored to actually be the first person to be presenting an award tonight. I hope you all be having fun. I'm here right now to present the award for the Online Comedian of the Year. And the nominees are...
For the Online Comedian of the Year, 9 meetings.
You think you have sense? I know your face. I'm going to report you to the headmistress. This is not my real face, so look at my real face. I'm gonna last in Jesus' name. And then it's all funny. You will not die in Jesus' name. From If you are straight, you are sick. If you are dead, because I did give up for the
I got a very giveaway. If you see what I go to pretty belly, pretty belly is sick, but I got no bags.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and the winner for the Online Comedian of the Year. Ladies, first of all, please put your hands together for all the nominees. Like they always say, everybody is a winner. They always say that, but there's only one person that takes it back home. Anyways. So the award goes to Kevin Hart! Wofai Fada is the winner, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together for Wofai Fada. Where is she? Is she in the building? Wofai. Wofai. Where's she at? In the name of the Father, the Son. I've never seen a girl so hot and so crazy at the same time. If you've seen Wofai Fada's skits, please put your hands together for her, because she's hot and she's crazy, and she just got the award for the Online Comedian of the Year, the first award for tonight. And that's who do this first. Okay now. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the winner, Wofai. Babes, this is courtesy Niger FM and Shayo Follow. I think she's doing the whole award winner moment thing. So if you want to say something to the people, say something to the people. I have something to say to them.
I want to say a very big thank you to Niger FM for recognizing me for the second time. I was nominated last year, I didn't win. And they brought me in front, so I was looking for a way to go out so that nobody would laugh at me. So this time when I came, I told them I want to be behind so that if I don't win, I'll just